Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we're reviewing another Dollar Tree product, and this is a shocking new product alert for the Dollar Tree, and I'm bringing this to you guys, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to find it and check it out for yourselves as well. So let's get in with the review. This is the Final Touch brand Oxy Stain Remover. This is in a light fresh scent, and you get 32 fluid ounces for $1. So a stain remover at the Dollar Tree for $1 that actually works. Yes, that actually works. So I picked this up because I have a 5-year-old child and he stains up everything, and of course he's a messy eater. He likes to run and play and get in the dirt and get grass stains and all that good stuff us mommies love. Yes, so I needed a stain remover, and I actually forgot to pick one up at Walmart, which thank goodness, because when I went to the Dollar Tree, I found this one, and I decided to try it out, test it out, and review it for you guys. It does say that this clings to prevent and safely bleaches out stains and is safe on colors. There is some eye irritant warnings on here. It does say keep out of reach of children and pets. In the directions, stains are most effectively treated while fresh. Set trigger nozzle to open position and activate the trigger. Cover the stain completely. Rub the stain remover in the spot. Wait 1 to 5 minutes and launder according to the garment manufacturer's directions. It says test for color fastness. It also says on the back, the eye irritation, do not ingest, is swallowed. Do not use this package for any other liquids. It says do not treat the stain while wearing the garments. Some stains may not be treatable and is not recommended on silk or wool fabrics. Just so you guys know, there is some ingredients here as well. This is not Greenbrier. It is actually says Fab Plus Kind Company. It does say it's made in the USA. This product does have that light fresh scent like it states on the packaging. It's not, it is exactly what it says. It's literally a light scent. You can barely smell it, which I like. I don't think it should be some overpowering scent to a stain remover. Just needs to remove stains, right? I used this on a pair of jersey knit pants that Connor was wearing outside. They have dirt and grass stains on them. I'll show you pictures now. So after he played outside and I noticed the stains, I sprayed them. I did use a good amount of this product because I didn't know how well it would work. So I drenched the stain in the remover and I rubbed it in like it said. I waited, then I done my laundry that night. The stain remover probably had time to dry by the time I actually got around to doing that. The stain actually was removed. I'm going to insert a clip here now. Here are those little pants I was talking about. Here's the pocket shown in the picture. No grass or dirt. And here is the knee that was shown in the picture. No grass, no dirt. Wonderful product. I am shocked. I am super impressed with how well this product brought the dirt and the grass out of his little jersey knit pants. I am so excited about this because it is affordable. You get a large amount, and those of us with children understand we need something that works on stains. And I love that it's safe on colors, and I can't tell you guys enough. Like, I'm just so shocked at how well it removes. There's no dirt stain, no remnants of any stain left on the pants. So this product does work for $1, and I definitely recommend it to any of you mommies out there. Oh, I do recommend this to anybody who just has any stain kind of removing needs. Definitely check out this product for yourself because it definitely does remove dirt, and it definitely removes grass stains, and it worked like a dream. So I just wanted to do a quick review and shine some light on this awesome product I found at the Dollar Tree recently, and hope you guys will be able to find it at your stores and be able to try it out for yourselves. anyone else who has tried this product, leave me a comment below and let me know how much you liked it or didn't like it, or what was different. And also, if you have any other additional comments or questions about this particular product that I might not address in the video, please leave them in the comment section below as well. Do not forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. And I hope you guys found the review helpful. We'll definitely check the product out for yourself for $1. And I thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews.